Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Today in this video, we'll make this simple model by using the SolidWorks tool. So let's open a part first. I'll choose here unit millimeter gum second. Here I'll choose the front plane. And I'll make circle. For both the circle, I'll be giving the diameter. Actually, we will trim this part, so I'll be giving here the diameter is 28, and for other one the diameter is 42. Actually, we need to convert it into radius, so we can go here and we can change it. The same way you can make into radius. Go with this. Okay. So take line. So I'll take here line. Start it from here and just make a shape like this and click it, connect it here. I'll just do one thing, I'll just make it like this and remaining portion I will trim here. Now go for the trim tool. Okay, first I'll give the dimensions. So click on the dimensions and give the dimension from the center to this end 42, and here this height is 8 mm and the overall length is 126. Now I'll go for the trim tool and I'll trim the part which I don't want, like I'll be trimming this portions. Okay, we need to extend this part, and here we need to extend this part. It has to come like this. And now I will go for the trim once again and click on the trim and trim this portion, and this portions, even this portions. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined, and come out from the sketch and go for the feature extrude. So choose here mid plane and give the extrude height 46. Just go for this. OK. Now I will use here fillet tool. So go for the fillet and I'll be choosing here the first one only, constant size fillet. So click on this corner, select this corner, select this corner, select this corner, and give the fillet radius 8 mm. Just go with the OK. Now choose font plane once again and take a sketch. Now we are going to draw this two circle having the radius diameter 16 and 28. So I'll go for this, and here I'll be giving the diameter 28, and for other one the diameter is 16. And we have to give the horizontal distance and vertical distance from origin to this center. The vertical distance is 45 and the horizontal distance is 53. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch, click on the extrude base boss, and here we need to select mid plane and extrude it 56 mm. So give their extruded length 56 and just go with this. OK. Right now you can see here we need to create some plane here, or else we can go with the face also. Now I will select this face, click on this face and go for the sketch, make it normal to the planes, and I'll just do convert entities. This, click on this edge, go for convert entities, and I'll do convert entities of this line. Now we will draw a vertical line from here to here, and we will draw one more line from here to here. You can extend it and give the relation tangent. Now you can see this line is not fully defined, so what we'll be doing, we'll be giving the relation this and this tangent. It is already taken the tangent, so we need to check here. So click on this line and this line, give the relation here tangent. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined, but we need to do trim. So we need to trim this portion and we need to trim this portion. Trim this portion. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined and as well as closed. So I'll go for this extrude once again and I'll be extruding this sketch. So first we have to come out from this sketch and go for the extrude base boss and click on the extrude. First we will reverse the directions and we'll give the extruded height is 7 mm. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here, we'll just do one thing. We will take this face and go for this sketch and make it normal to the plane. Just go for the convert entities, select this and this, go for the convert entities, and we will do the convert entities this line and this line. Go with the OK. Now we will go for extend tools and click on the extend. I will extend this face and this line and this line. Just go for the trim right now. Click on the trim and just trim this excess portions. Now come out from the sketch, click on the extrude and extrude this. We have to extrude it by 5 mm. So I will be extruding it up to 5 mm. Just go with this OK. Now we will just do one thing. We have to mirror this. So I want to mirror this component and this component. So select the features which you want to go for the mirror. Click on the mirror tools and here we need to select a plane. We will mirror about this font plane and just go with this OK. Right now you can see here your model is quite like this. Now I will just do one thing. Here I will create a plane which will have the, so click on the plane. I'll choose here top plane, click on the top plane and we have here one shortcut. So you can select the control key and drag the plane like this. So it will generate one plane. Now you can see we will give the distance here which is 28 mm. So I'll just give there 28 mm. Just go with this OK. Select this plane and go for the sketch. Click on the sketch. Now we are going to make 2 circles over there. So I'll just go with this circle. I'll draw 2 circles. And the first one is having the diameter 12 mm. So give their diameter 12. And outer one having the diameter 22. Now come out from the sketch. So if you want you can hide the plane right now. So you can just click on this. You have here hide options. Now I will go for this here feature extrude base boss. So I will select the sketch from here. So this is the sketch that I want to extrude. But you can see here by using selection contour feature I will delete everything. I'll just select the outer sketch and I want to extrude it in reverse direction and here I will select up to next and go with the OK. Now you can see that sketch is not visible. So what I'll be doing here, so go there and make the sketch visible and click on the extruded cut features and select this inner circle and give the extruded cut and go with this up to next. Go for the OK. Now you can hide the sketch. So I'll just do one thing. Take this sketch. I'm not going to use here whole features. So still I didn't explain you the whole features. So I'll just go with the sketch only to make the whole. So click on the circle and just draw one circle. Give the dimensions. Here I'll be giving the diameter of the circle is 8. Now we need to define the position. The position of this from center to this is 13. So give there 13 and the horizontal distance is 10 mm. Just give here 10. Go with this. OK. I need to draw one more circle over here. So in the same circle I'll be doing here. The circle is having the diameter 8 and from here to this origin distance is 13. and the horizontal distance is 10 mm. Now what we will be doing, now you exit from the sketcher and go for the extruded cut. Click on this and select the sketch. From here itself you can select and go with this up to next. Now go with this, okay. Now here you can see I'll use mirror features, so I'll mirror it about the font plane. Just go with this, okay. So if you want you can change the background here. I'll select it here plain white. If you want to apply appearance you can go for this. You have here advanced options. In advanced you can browse different kind of materials, like I will select here under the organic, I will select here wood. So you can see here in this wood we have so many types of wood. I'll go for this teak wood. Here I'll go with this polished teak wood and just go with this, okay. So you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.